Many pregnant women have to work on computers or are in the habit of browsing on their mobile phones all the time. And naturally, a concern starts coming up. Is this screen exposure really safe? So let's consider in this video about the optimum screen time that is allowed during pregnancy. This is Dr. Girija Wagh from Pune, Maharashtra, OB/GYN in practice for the last 30 years. And I like to bring these videos to ensure that you are able to maintain proper health during your pregnancy so that your pregnancy becomes a wonderful experience. Now, screen time is exposure to the mobile phone. Many times there are a lot of things for which we look at the mobile. Maybe our bank works, or it can be studying, or it can be reading, or sometimes even browsing. Now, excessive exposure either to the laptop screen or the mobile screen is associated with certain changes in your internal hormonal systems, and these changes can affect two folds. One, it can cause sleep abnormalities and disturbances. Secondly, exposure to too much of this hormone can definitely disturb your own internal hormonal performances, and that can cause problem. Thirdly, if your sleep is disturbed, it can cause issues, because it's been found that women who do not have adequate sleep during pregnancy can have complications during pregnancy, and even babies born to such mothers can have behavioral abnormalities. So it's very important that you absolutely put a proper sensor on the amount of screen exposure that you experience in 24 hours. So what are the good practices that you can do? One, it's better to ensure that the setting of your screen, both the mobile as well as the laptop, is proper, so that it doesn't cause unnecessary light exposure and unnecessary strain on your eyes. Always have some healthy breather gaps where you are away from your screen and not constantly looking into the screen with focus and concentration, which can tire your eye muscles. Avoid screen time of at least 3 to 4 intervals away from your sleeping time. So make it a rule. You can have settings on your mobiles and your laptop when after a particular hour, usually after 7 p.m. or 8 p.m, you can just stop looking at the phone and the screen, so that you have a time where your body has the time to rejuvenate and recuperate, and it doesn't disturb or come in the way of your sleep time. Sleeping adequately is very important, and I hope these tips would help you to understand how very important it is to ensure that you are not unnecessarily exposing yourself to a very, very hazardous environmental challenge, and that is the screen exposure, because that can definitely cause some harm. Thank you so much for being here. This is Dr. Girija Wagh from Pune, Maharashtra, and there are many more such videos which I have brought about for you to ensure that you have a healthy pregnancy and post-pregnancy